What'd she say? What'd she say?
She asked me, are you having trouble? And then she takes my torso and starts pulling me inside.
She must have watched a lot of Winnie the Pooh.
This is why I don't watch movies when y'all are around. The second I thought it might be blasted, it's not.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'll be quiet.
Dan hates his family.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day! Hey, I told you, I forgot it was Father's Day, or I didn't know it was Father's Day, so we're doing it next week. It's a made-up holiday anyway. I can make it up being next week. You want to go in, Celine? It's not ruined. You want to go in, Celine? No. No, I think she's good.
Come on, Celine.
Come on, Celine. Celine's doing my teddy.
Don't pull her in. Do not pull her in. Don't push her in either.
Wow. Push me. Okay, I'll sleep in my
Hi, baby.
Come on.
All right.
Morning, you do a better job with this house.